If you want to help wildlife, plant something. Here's a sneak preview of the final cartoon. Let's see how we got there. Plants are the base of all food chains, so us gardeners are vitally important. If you're not sure what to plant, plant anything. Getting something in the ground will always be good for the environment, so plant whatever you like. Of course, following the Green Ink team will give you some great ideas for your garden, even if it's just a window box. Watch out, Jackson, it looks like you're about to take Walt out with that tree. There really are some fantastic plants to brighten up your garden and provide food and shelter for your garden wildlife. If you don't know what to get, visit your local garden centre or a nursery for some great ideas. A nursery grows plants up from seeds or cuttings, whereas a garden centre usually buys in a wider variety of plants. Looks like Walt's found his happy place. Sharing plants is a lovely way to connect with friends and fellow gardeners. As plants mature, they sometimes need thinning out, so other gardeners will be only too keen to offer free plants to friends. If you really want to test your plant skills, take cuttings and grow your own for free. There are so many plants that can be shared. Comment below on what your favourite plant is that you've been given or grown from a friend's garden. If there's a plant you've always liked, why not try growing it in your garden? That's the best way to have a garden full of plants that you love. There really are some fab plants out there. Flo loves spring bulbs, especially crocus, as it's a sure sign of spring around the corner, and it's also great for bees. Answers on a postcard as to what this plant is that has dazzled Walt. Terms and conditions apply, there is no prize, artist's decision is final, and this plant has been drawn with all creative license. Any relation to a real plant is purely coincidental, as this plant doesn't really exist. Of course, the most fun way to grow a huge number of plants is straight from seed. You can get hundreds of plants for hardly any money. From garden centres to supermarkets, so many places sell loads of seed packets. Go on, get a packet and just sow them in your garden. Best time is March to April. And bonus points to anyone who can spot any differences between the sketch and the final drawing. Here's one for starters, Walt's t-shirts are always changing. Please like and subscribe for more pocket-sized wildlife gardening tips from the Green Ink team. Thanks for watching.